never heard this story before, and it was something I discovered during my private tour with my driver. The mansion itself is just wow, and so is its history. Very knowledgeable guides. Bring some cash to tip them, they work hard. And grab something from the gift shop. The trip is totally worth it. Wonderfully restored great house with a great history lesson and many authentic pieces. Very informative tour guide. Antique collection is superb. Beautiful restoration. Spooky vibes in a beautiful house with a bloodied backstory in the outskirts of Montego Bay. Our tour guide Erica made sure to let us know every important detail, with a fair pace for us, non-English natives, to follow. We shared our first drink in Jamaica, mandatory for protecting against the various curses of this haunted place, in the underground level, and visited the White Witch's grave. Everything felt a little bit off, but we guess that's precisely part of the experience. If you're into terror, we recommend to go at night time where it might get even spookier. Got solo tour. The lady was still very energetic and explained very clearly. She recommended photo spots and was attentive. At the end she even sang the Johnny Cash song about the White Witch. Rose Hall tour guides are very knowledgeable. They have very rich culture and are very friendly to the visitors. It is worth the trip. Might have been my favorite thing I did on vacation. The restoration is beautifully done, the tour guide was patient with questions and knowledgeable. And the site is so beautiful. I also feel it is important to learn about our history, and this is a place of great significance and sorrow in the context of slavery. Great educational opportunity. Interesting place. A good piece of history about 19th century Jamaica, and Marcia was a terrific tour guide. Might want to avoid any Annee Palmers in your life, though. Awesome experience to see the house. Very educational for the kids and appreciate their lifestyle in today's world. It was great to see famous people like Prince Charles and President Nixon, who have also visited this plantation house. Very interesting tour of a rebuilt plantation house. Our tour guide, Erica, was very knowledgeable and friendly. Informative tour, good informer. Good history. Always wanted to experience this tour and it didn't disappoint. Great time had by all. This trip was amazing and well worth it. Site was very nice and history of the great house was great. Very informative tour guide. Antique collection is superb. Beautiful restoration. The home of the famous White Witch, Annee Palmer, is a must-see for history buffs. It is the coolest estate tour in Jamaica. The history learned and displays are amazing.